Welcome back. Now let's talk about two game-changing techniques in vector editing: direct manipulation and bending. These tools help you refine paths effortlessly. Direct manipulation allows you to move paths and vector networks without fiddling with individual points or handles. In edit mode, simply grab any section of the path and drag it. All connected parts will adjust automatically. This approach is perfect for quick, intuitive adjustments when you need to tweak a design without overthinking it. Now, let's look at the Bend tool. This tool lets you manipulate curves directly, bypassing individual control points. You can activate it temporarily with the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows. Think of the Bend tool as your shortcut to shaping curves intuitively. It's like molding clay: fast, responsive, and precise. Whether you're making subtle tweaks or bold transformations, direct manipulation and the Bend tool keep your workflow efficient and creative.